Good afternoon, students. In our previous class, we have continued chapter 3, that is log on to access, and today in this same chapter we will start adding fields to a table. For that, first of all, we will just double click on blank database and you can see a blank window here where you can write your data and fields and it data. Okay, you MS 2010 allows you to enter table, add fields to a table in two format, data sheet view or design view. Okay, you can change your view by clicking on the view option. Here you have two option, data sheet view and design view. Okay, see, you can by default the first field in MS Access is ID. Okay, you can change it also, fine. It is basically for the if you want anything to write here, like roll number, serial number, anything. Okay, so here are few field properties also. Okay, that means you cannot name. See, here it is written a field name can be up to 64 characters long, including spaces. Okay, so you cannot name any field name more than 64 letters, that includes any character or any space. Okay, so now I will add fields in design view. Okay, here from view I will select design view, and by default first field name is ID. Okay, now I will name second one as name. Okay, it is as text and address. Okay, it will provide you few things, that for address you want it as text, memo, number, date and time, currency, auto number, yes or no, and various options are here. I will just click on text. So okay, so address will be in the text format. Next, phone number. Okay, so after I press enter, it will provide you various same options. I will just click on number. So the type of data is number. Next is date of birth, DOB I am writing, and I can just click on date and time. Okay, so I have made one table with the ID and name, address, phone number and date of birth. Okay, now after that I will just view it as in datasheet view. You can see here, you can just enter your details. So in this datasheet view I can add more fields, and also I can add the data. Okay, name, for example I am writing my name, address Haldwani. Okay, phone number, any phone number, sorry. As soon as I reach to this DOB, date of birth, a small calendar is here, because we have selected data types as date and time. That's why for date option it is here. Okay, I will just mark anything, any date, so the date is here. Okay, this is how we enter all the fields and details in two views. One is data sheet view and another one is design view. Okay. Next is rules for naming a field. Okay, if you want to name any field, you have various rules. Okay, a field name can range from 1 to 64 characters, or it can include letters, numbers, and many special characters. Okay, and you cannot write start field name with a blank space. Okay, so and you can also find field properties by going to the design view. Okay, and now we will talk about the data types. Okay, so here are few data types, that are text, number, memo, date and time, currency, okay, auto number, yes or no, OLE object, hyperlink, attachment, calculated. Okay, so I will explain you each and every data type.